If you're in the market looking for a beautiful home like this is an opportunity for you to own one. So this is 5 bedroom semi-detached. You can see you have about 3 parking space right here, and then you have all these plants for you. So this house is coming with a swimming pool at the back. When we enter inside this house, you'll be amazed. It's so spacious. Now, my name is Amarachi. Please, if you're just watching me for the first time, if you're just bumping into my page, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Please stay glued until the end of this video. Now, walk with me. Let's go see this house. Coming to this house, you'll be welcomed with this gigantic door right here, and by my right here is where we have the visitors room right here, and then you have a long walkway to your living room. When you come here, you have your powder room, which is your visitors toilet. This house is so beautiful. 5 bedroom with a swimming pool. The space is something else. So coming here, this is your living room. I love all these lightings. I love the design. I love everything. I love the ventilation. I love the type of window style they put here. Well ventilated. The sunlight, the reflection is so beautiful. I love the TV console. I love all the artworks. Everything is very, very meticulously built. Now come with me. Let's go see the kitchen. So towards the kitchen, we have a wine storage space right here. I don't know what you will use this for, but whatever you choose to use it for, you can. So come with me. Let's go see the kitchen. Wow, this kitchen is so spacious. I don't know about, I love my kitchen. This kitchen is so spacious and fitted. Look at the cabinet. Everything is intact. It's coming with microwave, oven, all these cabinets, all these storage spaces, 4-burner cooker right here. And then another good thing I love about this kitchen is that you have a pool view. This is your swimming pool view. So you still have your compound space. Look at this. This is really beautiful. From your kitchen, you have your swimming pool. Now, let's go upstairs and see what we have upstairs. Upstairs, when you come upstairs, you still have a very long walkway here. So when you come, you have your family lounge right here. I love the fact that it is so segmented, so spacious. This house is so spacious, honestly. So we have 4 rooms upstairs. So this is the first one. So this is the first room right here, and then we have this other one right here. So this is quite spacious with enough storage space. Now let's go. It also has a very big bathroom right here. Look at your storage spaces, and it has a TV console. This is more like your madam's room, and also it has a balcony. Let's go see the 3rd room, and then we'll see the master's bedroom. So this is the 3rd room, not so big, and everything here is beautiful. Now let's go see the master's bedroom. Welcome to your master's bedroom. This is your primary suite. Very, very spacious. So it's coming with a balcony. So the balcony is facing the estate. You have your TV console, you have your storage space, which leads to your bathroom. This is absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, I love the meticulous thoughts, meticulous finishing, meticulous architectural work right here. This property is in the market for 250 million naira, but if you can call me right away, we'll do something for you. This is located right here in a gated estate, in a flood-free, all the basic amenities are here, constant electricity. Remember, this house is coming with a swimming pool. Amrachi. So if you have watched up to this point, thank you for staying glued on this channel, and please remember to always stay glued on my channel until you see me on your screen again. Bye bye.